Listen, we are standing on the edge of the biggest appraisal modernization in over 20 years. I'm Glenn McDonald, and if you're a lender, investor, or AMC serving the Memphis tri-state region, you need to listen up. November 2nd, 2026 isn't just a compliance milestone, it's the day the legacy pipeline shuts down for good. If you're not ready for UAD 3.6, your loans will not deliver. Period. We're talking about a total transformation of how property is valued, and the fatal error messages at the portal are very real. The time for testing was yesterday, but we're starting today. We're witnessing the death of the static form. UAD 3.6 replaces Form 1004 with a dynamic URAR that adapts to the property in real time. We're moving from narrative commentary in addenda to structured, granular data. That means room-level condition ratings, disaster mitigation data, and energy efficiency are all captured in discrete fields. For lenders, this means automated quality control that's faster and more objective, but it also means your staff needs a complete overhaul in how they review these reports. If the data doesn't match the photos, the system will flag it instantly. We're already identifying the bottlenecks in quality control and data transfers before they become your deadlines. Authority starts with local expertise. In Germantown and Collierville, the story is inventory. These are premium markets where tight supply keeps prices elevated. While the Memphis Metro is stabilizing with steady appreciation expected through 2027, these suburbs remain comparable magnets. The recent Shelby County reappraisal has already shifted the landscape. Crossing into Mississippi, Olive Branch, and South Avon are the growth engines of DeSoto County. Meanwhile, in West Memphis and Marion, we're seeing a healthy market correction. Precision is absolutely critical as market values settle. Lenders, you need a partner who is licensed across state lines and understands the unique nuances of the Delta versus the suburbs. UAD 3.6 cements in CZ 765-2021 as the industry standard. While LiDAR isn't a GSE mandate yet, at Integrated Assets, it's our secret weapon for speed and accuracy. We can scan an entire residence with laser precision in minutes, capturing room-level data that legacy methods simply miss. For you, that means laser-accurate floor plans and zero revision requests. We have to be honest, the profession is aging and the shortage is real. That's why I'm leaning into modern solutions like desktop and hybrid appraisals. But I'm doing it with the local eye that an AVM just can't match. I'm actively sharing my UAD 3.6 platform tests on YouTube because education protects the lender, the appraiser, and the consumer. Our region is anchored by logistics giants like FedEx and world-class healthcare like St. Jude. These anchors provide economic stability that makes the Mid-South a resilient market. Accurate appraisals protect this foundation. When we get the numbers right, we support the growth of the entire region. At the end of the day, this isn't just about code and data, it's about the families in Shelby County and the investors in DeSoto. My role is to be the truth teller in this market. Local expertise backed by advanced valuation technology. This is the future of appraisal, and Integrated Assets is leading the charge. The technology is ready. The question is, are you? Don't wait for the November 2026 cliff to start your rollout. Whether you're in Tennessee, Mississippi, or Arkansas, I'm ready to assist with real-world testing and expert feedback. Visit appraisermcdonald.com or call our office at 901-820-4585. Let's shape the future of appraisal reporting before the deadline arrives. So which state are you in? Comment TN or MS below and let's get to work.